In this ParaCourse lesson, we're going to model something similar to these curves, as you can see, based on the Pufferfish plugin, pinch and spread, and you can see that how I can change the location of the points, which will affect the curves, and also the strength, which I can change into pinch and spread, which I will explain in this tutorial, and also the radius of the pinch points or the spread points, and then you can see that I can also increase or decrease the number of curves. I will also explain how you can make this on a freeform surface. So at the end we can produce them into an extrusion. You can see that we can produce that on a freeform surface, on a Nurbs surface, and we will finish this tutorial.